As it was promised to add the remaining 30 questions in the next video, so I am going to add the remaining 30 questions in this video. Now to question number 21. Fear ignorance is bliss, it is folly to be wise. Who wrote the following lines? And the correct option is Gray. Gray is the correct option here. Next question, 22 question. Which of the following works is not actually a prose essay? Which of the following works is not actually a prose essay? Correct option is Essay on Man. Essay on Man is the correct option. Question number 23. Whom does Mirabel deceive into believing that he loves her in the way of the world? And correct option is B. Lady Wishport. Lady Wishport is the correct answer here. Question number 24. Competence to age is supplementary to youth. A sorry supplement indeed. But I fear the best that is to be had. We must ride where we formerly walked. Live better, be softer, and shall be wise to do so than we had means to do in the good old days you speak of. Who speaks these words and to whom? And the correct option is Lamb to Brigade. Lamb to Brigade is the correct option. The above given lines were spoken to Brigade by Lamb. Next question, question number 25. The Prelude, although begun as early as 1799 and published in its first version in 1805, was not published until, correct option is 1850. Next question 26. A rosy sanctuary will I dress with the wreathed trellis of a working brain. The above lines are quoted from, correct option is Ode to Psyche. Ode to Psyche is the correct option in which the above given line appears. Next question 27. Love seeketh only self to please, to blind another to its delight. This selfish and possessive nature of love is illustrated in Blake's. Correct option is the cloud and the pebble. The cloud and the pebble, in which the above lines appears. It was composed by William Blake. Next question 28. Who is the author of Mary and the Unfinished, the Wrongs of Woman? And the correct option is A. Mary Wollstonecraft. Mary Wollstonecraft is the writer of this work. The next question 29. Identify the incorrect factor in Henry James' theory of the novel. The correct option is A. It should be sentimental. Identify the incorrect factor in Henry James' theory of novel and it should be sentimental. This option is wrong. Means the remaining three options are associated with the novels of Henry James. Means we can find their objective, realistic, and viewed as an artistic form. But the sentimental, this factor is not found in his novels. Next question, question number 30. Match the atoms in list first with the atoms in list second according to the code given below. Correct option is B. B is the correct option here. You can pause the video and match the words to each other. Now the next question 31. Which among the following novels was not written in 1922? And the correct option is D. A Passage to India. This work was not written in 1922 and the remaining three works were written in 1922. Ulysses, Jacob's Room and Aaron's Rod. Next question. A sudden blow, the great wings beating still above the staggering girl, her thighs pierced by the dark webs, her nape caught in his bill, he holds her helpless breast upon his breast. Who is the author of the above lines? The correct option is W.B. Yeats. Next question 33. Consume my heart away, seek with desire, and fasten to a dying animal. The above lines are taken from, correct option is Selling to Byzantium. Next question 34. Who among the following is not a surrealist poet? And the correct option is D. Cecil de Lewis. C. Day Lewis, it means Cecil Day Lewis. Next question 35. The protagonist returns with an admonition. The diamond sent to him for smuggling out a packet of diamonds as a bribe. This scene occurs in one of the novels of Graham Greene. Identify the novel. The correct option is B. The Heart of the Matter, in which the above scene occurs. Question number 36. Samuel Beckett's trilogy, published together in London in 1959 under the English title is. And the correct marks given to all. It means this question was cancelled from the exam because there may be some mistakes. Next question 37. Among the following playwrights, who was awarded the Pulitzer Prize in 1920? And the correct option is A. Eugene O'Neill. Eugene O'Neill is the correct option. He was awarded Pulitzer Prize in 1920. Next question 38. D.H. Lawrence popularized the concept of space in his novels. Which type of concept was popularized by D.H. Lawrence in his novels? And the correct option is C. Primitivism. Primitivism. Primitivism is a concept that was popularized in the novel of D.H. Lawrence. Next question 39. Who among the following is not an American modernist poet? And the correct option is C. William Ellery Channing the Younger. Now the next question 40. An important poet and playwright who in the 1960s led the Black Arts movement in the spirit of negritude posited a black aesthetic that expressed a pan-African, organic and whole sensibility. And the correct option is B. Amiri Baraka. Amiri Baraka is an important poet or playwright who in the 1960s led the Black Arts movement. Now the next question 41. Match list first with the list second according to the given code. Now the option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. Now the next question 42. Yasmin Gunderton's The Pleasures of Conquest, term as a post-colonial novel of the 19th, is ironically enough set in the tropical island nation of Amnesia. Option number D is correct. Question number 43. Which of the following is not an Asian Canadian writer? And the correct option is D. Mina Alexander. Mina Alexander is not an Asian Canadian writer. Next question 44. Which of the following is true? And the correct option is A. Aurora Leigh is a poem in 9 books. This option is correct. Aurora Leigh is a poem in 9 books. This option is correct. Question number 45. The old order changed, yielding place to new, and God fulfills himself in many ways. In which of the following poems do these lines appear? These lines appear in option number C. Morte d'Arthur. Morte d'Arthur. The next question 46. George Eliot's attempt to write a historical novel of the Italian Renaissance was not successful. Which was this novel? The correct option is D. Romola. George Eliot's novel Romola means the option number D is correct. George Eliot's attempt to write a historical novel of the Italian Renaissance was not successful. Which was this novel? Romola. This was a novel about a historical novel of the Italian Renaissance, but it was not successful that time. Question number 47. In which novel does the hero, driven by passion and revenge, add a new dimension to the concept of suffering? The correct option is A. Wuthering Heights. Wuthering Heights is the correct option. In which the hero, driven by passion and revenge, add a new dimension to the concept of suffering. Now the next question 48. From the following women characters in Hardy's novels, choose the odd one out. And the correct option is C. Elizabeth Jane. Elizabeth Jane. Question number 49. Out of the gospel, he thou word spot, and this figure he added ic thirto, that if gold rust, what shall iron do? In the prologue, the passion is represented as a man. and the correct option is C. C is the correct option, means 2, 3 and 4 are correct. 2, 3 and 4 are correct. Next and last question of this video. Question number 50. Match the atoms in list first with atoms in list second according to the code given below. And the correct option is C. Correct option is C. Okay, in this video I have tried to add 30 questions